Now this is what we call maturity. Rocky Dwamena Kumasi Asante Kotoko ex-player this season here na mpanyifo eja na kwan. Na information cramming sa kan tell or join a new Premier League club a friend Young Apostles. Now was sending a very touching message to Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters, Kumasi Asante Kotoko fraternity no, Kumasi Asante Kotoko club no, administrators new bia the message or the ama club no it say or a very matured player and matured as a footballer sebi o free club no no free mu with any bitter heart and as bibisa wakasa ye pa na nsempoti o kan no wa ha mama mpoto mouth straight away na you go say after 2 incredible years with this amazing club the time has come for me to say goodbye. I'm deeply grateful for the unforgettable experience and immense support I have received during my time here. First and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to the life patron, His Royal Majesty Kutumfo, whose unwavering support and leadership have been a source of inspiration for us all. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the management, the technical team, and your dedication, your guidance, and hard work to have which has been instrumental in our collective success and in my personal development as a player. What a touching message. Let's just say, or technical team na so about management no so about so as the personal development no sa ekuwa mienu nyina aboa ama no akototi ama no uni bitter heart bia odeko. Also to my teammate, you have been like a family to me. The camaraderie and teamwork we've shared on and off the pitch will always cherish memory. Thank you for the support, friendship, and the countless moments of joy and the triumph we celebrated together. Last but certainly not the least is the fabulous fans. Yes, Asante Kotoko, your passion and unwavering support have been truly incredible. Playing in front of you has been an honor, and I will always remember the electrifying atmosphere you created at every game. As I embark on a new chapter in my career, I will carry the spirit of Asante Kotoko with me. Fantastic. Thanks for your everything, and I wish the club continued success in future. Kotoko for life. My any boy in respect. This is true heartfelt message. Or the Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abra Oko. And your message be an no be dear for personal issues. To Vonagopon, but Rocky Dwamena message is one of the touching messages in recent years.